morning, Miss Princess Scarlett Chintan, Mama, representing Spain. Education is the most powerful weapon. You can use for better shoes.
Jesus loves the little children, all the children of the world.
Careful, matama lang si Mary sa hair mo.
Nakakaboses mo ha. Naka-eskwela kayo ha. Nakakaboses.
Araw pa sa inglan lang. Ako po si Jesus Christ
Listen.
At ito ay
Doon ka sa unahan, anak.
mamabata. Sabi mamabata. Elect is Jesus Christ who are representing trees.
Hindi yung tulad na ha. Yung lang sasabihin.
Next na, Scarlett. Wait mo si Jesus. Okay, next. Ganti ka na. Scarlett. Wala din.
Jesus
Walk ka muna, walk. Go walk. Smile. Come on over here. Smile. Good morning, everyone. Okay, go. Good morning, everyone. My name. Oh no, that's not counting. My name is. Go.
My name
is
Say your name. Presenting education is the most. Okay, go. Come on. Most powerful weapon for a better future. Come on, let's go. Bow. Bow your head. You're done. Okay, come on. Bow. Stop counting. Hello,